What's up, guys? Today I'm working on taking my tint off my C5. I'm using the razor blade and the heat gun. Do not do that to the back window. I'm doing it because I don't care. If you do this, if you use the razor and the heat gun on the back window, you are going to ruin your defrost system. I don't care, it's Texas, it's always hot, I'm never gonna use it, so that's why I'm scraping it off. It's an old tint, it will never come off, there's no way it will come off other than this way. If you guys know any other way, just comment below, let me know. I've seen some videos about using the trash can, the trash bags method. I tried it, didn't work, so I was, finally I was like, okay, well, let's do it with the razor blade. Now you can use this on the side windows, no problem. It will take me probably like 5 minutes or less to take it off. Depends on how old your tint is. If it's not that old, I mean, it shouldn't take that long. The heat gun and the razor. Here's where it got super difficult. I mean, this tint is just fighting me in every single way. I got most of the tint, or most of the film off right now. I'm down to this last piece right here, the top of the rear window. But these little dots or bubbles, they're making it so difficult. I don't know how to take it off. I mean, except for scraping it off, and even scraping it is not working because the razor is just, I don't know, it's just not taking it off. And it's taking a lot of work. This is probably gonna take me a couple of hours just to get this part right here. Well, after about an hour and a half of scraping and about 20 razor blades, I got the damn thing off. I still gotta clean that window and vacuum down here. I'm gonna use this stuff to clean the window, and then I'm gonna move to the side windows. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you liked this video, and I want to thank my sponsors for their support, the Ritz Houston, and we'll see you next time.